Hello, in front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 45HR, and I'm gonna show you how to change the unit type on this device. First we need to press and hold the up button right here to open the menu. Once the menu opens, we can use the down button to scroll down, like that. Scroll down until you find the option called the system, then press the start button to enter. Here, let's scroll down by pressing the down button, find the option called units and press the start to enter, and right here we can select the unit type we like. We have statute and metric. Select the one you like and press the start button like this. And that's how you change the unit type on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.